Nope, it's not news, it's never news. News aren't real. News, I remembered that there was a website attached. Yep, gotcha. Uh, Hello and welcome to the second ever dev stream. Today, I guess that's news. The lack of news is news. I'm not gonna do anything too exciting. I am going to try and... Okay, first up, streamline the process for adding people to the Hall of Fame. And second, fix a bug about a certain sprout. So, let's begin doing that. So, here we are again. I think CEO knows that bug. Who is CEO? I only know the dev news. I think I forgot to... No, it is here. Here we go. Putting the chat back on. Yeah. I mean, it's just... I know this is what I worked on last time, but it was going not that good. Not to say that, but I don't make crazy amounts of progress programming while streaming, so I tend to focus on smaller things. Say that like it's not my second one ever. Hey, give me a second. Bye bye. Thanks for swinging by. Wait, am I watching my own stream? Oh wow. Bye bye, little dev news person whose identity we're not sure of. But one day we will know. So, uh, let's just go. Oh, let me just... Oh, right, the Metonymus. Neat. Um, alright. Yeah, this one's not working. Okay. Oh, hello there. Nothing has happened. I'm just working on dev stuff. Oh yeah, I almost forgot the BGM. I am gonna hope it's not too loud. Maybe? Let me lower it. Well, go ahead and do that. I'll just be doing my thing. Alright, So, the thing that I wanted to change was making the... I wanted to play Paper Lily, but the other person is gone, so now I'm sad. Aww. No! So, I wanted to test adding multiple styles to chat, so let's go ahead and do that. The one responsible for styling is this one. Yeah. Hello! Thank you for swinging Maddie. I think I started making it already. It's Orange Shrine. Util. Sipping maybe likes the prologue more for some reason. Oh, that's nice. I really look forward to playing it. I feel like it's probably a pretty good game. I'll tell you once I play chapter 1. I look forward to it. Oh, also, yeah, I can speak French. I mean, the thing is, if I start by speaking French, like, bonjour, j'adore coder des sites web. I mean, it makes it kind of understandable for everyone else. Wait, where's Nisekoi? Oh yeah, it's a personal page. Why are we in E33? Oh, wait, yeah, that's right. Wait, is Expedition 33 like actually French? I thought it was just a team that made it. I didn't think it was like the actual game. French songs. Fuck yeah. Where did you learn to code? Mostly by myself, really. Like, I literally just looked up every time I wanted to do something and just learned from there. W Free School is a good place to learn, though. I would recommend it. Also, it's a dub. French dub. Yeah, W Free Schools is great for that stuff. They've got a full tutorial from beginning to end. If you want, I can look for the link, but like technically I can literally just go. I mean, I guess you'd be interested in HTML. But it's a great resource for JavaScript, CSS, and HTML, and also it's not loading. My internet is acting up a bit, but don't worry about that too much. I feel like you've got the gist. So, there's a user ID, a username. Okay. So, username, ID, what else is there? Profile picture is obligatory, PFP, button equals null, and chattable IDs like yeah, imagine if it was like people's IP. Oh my god. You can't even go like, oh my god, it's a list of Hall of Famers, you know, these. I guess there is some unseen info down here, but don't worry about that bit. You can literally go into the code and see it any times. Hey, yeah, it's you! Hello, Jill. Don't worry, already. Good job. Good on you. I feel like it's making me feel a bit more self-conscious about how awful the code is in some places. Honestly. Where's egg? I know, code always looks great in my eyes. I would disagree. I have huge sections that I'll just comment it out. The fallen badge, it'll make me fall off my chair when I get it. Actually, you're wrong. You get it when you fall off your chair. I have like tracking for your camera that I don't need authorization for. So, you know. But yeah, I decided not to because apparently it was against security or something. Apparently not allowed. Maybe one day, when security relaxes. I love exploiting browser APIs. I don't know, maybe like this would be better if I just did. Probably not. Oh, sure, actually. It's not the first time I've exploited browser APIs. It was fun to look at all the info I could get for PN. There's the one. Let's just not do it like this. Thank you so much. Oh. I honestly really learned everything by just looking it up, so I believe in you, and I look forward to seeing what you make. Because I just love looking at other people's websites and, you know, what they find fun and stuff. So yeah. Yeah, this one is called GoGo Streaming Shan. Also, yeah, you should sometimes, but yeah, I understand how it is with free time and stuff. Well, I hope you find time to work on it sometimes. Yeah. Still sorry to hear. That's awesome. I remember hearing about it at some point. That's awesome. If I want to start coding but doesn't know anything about it. Yeah, honestly, my advice would also be to just start. But let me just check. I need to remember how detailed their JavaScript introduction was. Because the thing is, when I started doing tutorials, you can it helps a lot to figure like the general idea behind it. Speaking of, I'm not sure. I thought it was more of an example project, but I guess it's a whole lot of stuff. Either way, I'd suggest following tutorials at the start and learning that you have to let go of them at some point to... I mean, honestly, that is a pretty odd exercise. I don't even know what this one does. Oh, wait, no, it is an anonymous function. That's still really odd. What is happening? Anyway, I really do recommend looking up tutorials for specific things. And then once you get a little grip on how it usually looks, you can start experimenting and going out of your way to do more complicated things. One of my high school AT teachers highly recommended W3 School. Why not my old school as well? And I would still recommend it because I kinda used it at the beginning along with the documentation. I recall there having been a campaign against it due to it having been a bad maintained resource, but it seems to have improved. Oh wow! I remember hearing about it, like people saying that it wasn't recommended anymore because it just wasn't up to date. But I didn't know they actually fixed it, and that the campaign even updated to reflect that. That's awesome. By the way, if I seem to be coding slowly, it's just a bit harder on the stream than when I usually do it, for some reason. I guess it's just a little bit of stress, but it is how it is. Time to server, drinks and change lines. Yippee! I love Valhalla so much, but I need, like, to convert more people because it's an awesome game that more people should play. Also, yeah, self-conscious. Probably. No, yeah, totally. I kinda just accepted that my code is awful, but it's already all the way out there. Like, you can just inspect element and look at it if you want to. I'm sure I can open, like, any of these and just see, like, a giant chunk of so many comments. So yeah, totally. But I think it's a little bit fun to do it like this rather than just coding in my corner and trying to add, like, whatever I'm doing, which is Hall of Fame this time. Whenever you think your code is awful, just open up any TobyFox summary script. The thing is, I feel like at least Deltarune is really good, I think, compared to Undertale. With Somori though, yeah. Absolutely. Yeah, you can really tell that... I mean, I think Chapter 1 and 2 were all Toby, with 2 having more guests, and then 3 and 4 are basically mostly... I mean, I'm not saying other people, it's their team, but that's cool. Chapter 1 code, yeah. I super glued ice cream sticks. That's sad. But like, the thing is it works, so that really goes to show, just do stuff. And it'll probably work out. Really. Everyone's PFP is so cute, by the way. I love adding them and seeing the list grow. Also, yeah, totally. And that was such a good game. Is there anything else I'm missing? There's button, PFP. My HOF PFP is just this one, but put through a bit crusher. Yeah. I mean, honestly, it still looks really good in low res, though. I think. Well, if it doesn't work and you know why, it's also good. True. Although sometimes it's still sad because there's a lot of work involved to get it fixed. Just like the Jeff bug I have to work on, but I'm postponing it until I finish this, basically. Which is always fun. Good thing the Wii's native resolution is fairly low to begin with. Yeah. Wait, you did? I just realized that you're... Wait, no, you're this one. Am I getting it wrong? Give me a sec. No, yeah, you are the snowflake. I mean, honestly, it fits the circle format perfectly. I mean, I think it looks cool. I can't think of a single one that looks bad because of the... I mean, I guess you turn a bit, but, you know, it's still really good. I don't know, I'm just impressed. Let's keep this here. Okay. I shouldn't make it like this. Hmm? Oh. Oh, sorry, I didn't see that. Bye-bye. Good night, and thank you for swinging by. You can tell my site banner is as much of a last-minute thing as it can be. The thing is, it still looks great. Sorry, I'm saying, like, I don't know, just... Simple is great sometimes, too. Really. I mean, your logo's good, too. All for each. Please add a Skong randomizer to what? No, yeah. Thank you for swinging by too, and hope, yeah. Good night, Gio. Bye-bye. Skong randomizer, your battle select will only say Shaw half the time. There isn't one! Skong, the most awaited game of the decade, doesn't have a randomizer when it was so popular for Hollow Knight. How does that work? That's crazy. Bench swap just got added. That's like the thing before randomizer. Then it's just coming. I mean, how long has it been since Skong came out? I actually cannot tell. I feel like that's kind of bad to say, but I can't tell how time is passing right now. Has it been that long? Or not long enough? Too much. I'm really surprised it's taken this long. You would think all the modders are too busy playing Silksong again. Like they're playing and replaying it and they haven't had the time to mod yet. That's why. Yeah, they've been playing for 6 months. That's what happened. I'm gonna try in another tab because sometimes it goes faster or slower. I think we've opted for slower. There's one more, okay. Ah, here we go. Oh, it didn't go through. Here we go. Here we go, that's what I was looking for. I mean, if this isn't proof that you're always learning, I still have to Google, like, the most basic things because I always forget. But, like, I don't even know to differentiate these even looking at them. Before the element, just inside the element, before its first child. Before a hand is what I want. Yeah, before a hand. Or end. And then the string. Yeah, that's good. So now if I take this bit, Hall of Fame item, I think I'm not even going to delete the old one and just paste it on top and see what happens. Probably works. If the solution is bad, you should absolutely 100% do it. So we have a parent, we add an HTML at the end. That's an Hall of Fame item. Yeah, yeah. With the PFP item goes here. Dollar favor.pfp. Hall of Fame, and then the username right here. Yeah, what's username? Then all this stuff is only if they have a button. Yep. Whoops. I'm starting to feel a bit less lobotomized programming. Oh god, how do you do optional stuff? I didn't think of that. The consequences of my own actions. I could do style equals everyone's button is going to be optional stuff. Well, basically I don't want to add the buttons after people's names if they don't have a website. Like, if I add them to everyone, it's gonna be a dead link and image for everyone else, so I need to make stuff optional, and it's not really made for that, so I'm kinda winging it. And by that I mean I'm just gonna do display none if it doesn't work. So style display equal so favor dot button. If there's a button, you do it's still a bit hard. If there's a button, you do display initial. Yep. Otherwise you do none. Display none, that's what it was called. This is so sad. Whatever. Next. Dollar Famer. I should close these. Famer.link. And to end this off. Is everyone's button in the same folder? I would like some of them, which probably isn't good. Oh, for example, Mutant Sackboy and Sky. The other Sky, yes. And Unicode's Angel as well. Well, damn. Then I'll just make it be the entire thing. Dollar favor dot link. Yeah, no button. And then the alt is just the person's name. That should about cover it, so if I rip this on something, it should fill everything. And also don't fire off if list is not true. This is just to exclude some people that shouldn't get the "oh wow, you got 100%, come get the special thing." Because there's like some special cases that shouldn't trigger it. Like me and my AI. it just gets confused if it sees it. So, you know, better be on the safe side. And now I'm going to manually copy paste each of these. Isn't that great? I mean, there's probably a way to automate it, but it's been sent in so many folders that I don't know. What a song. Alright, lock in. Wait, why does it sound like Persona 5? Still crazy that Unicode Angel was the first person to get Hall of Fame. They're like crazy popular and cool. And their website is really pretty and aesthetic. It's really amazing. I don't know, it was like, I just didn't expect it, it's all. PFP... PFP... UnicodeAngel.png. And button, there was a button. The button link is this one. You cannot avoid copy pasting. It's like my national pastime. I'm sure there's some people who do it better with less copy pasting. Technically, if I was like a real programmer, I'd be doing like Vim and stuff, but I never learned. Technically, it's faster. So this cup should go a little further to the right. Down, I mean. Down. Here we go. Yep. And link to the website. Just this. And they're included in the list. Yeah, any Famer... Yeah. If Famer as list. If Famer list to this. If they don't have list, return. So I don't, OP-chan show up in the list of all Famers. I'm a programmer, copy pasting is what I do. Vidal, #1 female streamer. Vidal is kind of my idol. He's like the tech streamer somehow to me. I mean, it's kind of funny because technically... No, the fit stuff he does is impressive actually. What am I even saying? But like, yeah, absolute role model. Hey, COC! It's you! Let's get your name right. How do you say that? COC... COC... Maybe it's Chiochi now. I don't know, it says Lilith's Dev News, I don't know why. Explains all the P-chan Neurosama quotes. Hey, you're not supposed to catch on to that. Don't look too hard. And as far as I remember, you do not have a button. Zoop. Yep. Next up. Moonlight. Wait, did the playlist just end? Where's the music? I just decided to stop. Loop the playlist, please. Here we go, I guess that works. Yippee! Cheese. It was the name of the picture I got. I hope Moon Knight's doing alright. I feel like I don't remember them showing up a lot these days. I'm going to make a comment on each and every Hall of Famer apparently. Next one's Limezilla. I mean, it's bound to happen when I do one by one. Can you get out of here? And here we go, Limezilla. .png. Just name Limezilla. And the index achievement is this. The memories. They are flooding. Yeah. Wait, does anyone have a button I'm forgetting about? Destiny has one. The next person to have one. Hold on a second. Alright, so next up, Destiny. I feel like I'm always up to some head empty. Probably the best way to be. Why is Mutant Sackboy in first in the list? Ah, whatever. Let's go with Destiny first then. I don't remember what happened there. Apparently it's some kind of folder mishap. Alright, Destiny. I feel like after I'm done doing this and I make the list, I should visit everyone's website. It's been a little bit since I checked them out. I should visit everyone. It feels like I'm saying it's pay to win, like you have to get Hall of Fame for me to visit someone's website. I'll probably check anyone who sends it in chat. Destiny first and brand, yeah. Yeah. That's what happened. I don't know why it's the other way around in index, but don't worry about it. They changed you, right? Yeah. Destiny's denial. Destiny.png. Makes sense. Domain, button index is this. Oh wait, yeah, Destiny is, I think they were speedrunning? I don't know, now I remember, I've seen them around. Yippee! Yeah, check my website. Okay, checking your website. Give me a second. Where's your website? I think it got taken down. You speedran too fast. You know, I could help you setting one up that you just redirects to the speedrun account. It would be something. Next step afterwards is Ren, the current spearheader of the Little Step news already. Good job on that. Yup. Name is Mutant Sackboy 4. Also not related, but since there's Radiance in Skong, I can parry the light. Let's go! It sounds awesome to get to experience that boss with the Skong style fighting. I like that it's called Vessel Button. I look forward to visiting his website. Once he hit less. You can do it. Wait, am I inverting them? Oh, it's GF first. That should work. Okay. Yeah, I'm going super slow. So next step after Mutant Sackboy is Fluffy. Fluffy Grem. I don't think they had a button. No. Looks like you need some of that coffee. Yeah. If only Kel had coffee. Oh hey, Blue Azul! Oh, whoops. Yippee! Man, there sure are lots of Hall of Famers, I'm realizing. Blue Azul... Oh yeah, there is a space. Linux Rising Stream when? Someday, because it's looking kinda bland right now. Although... No, I'll get there. And now... Link M button. U-turn. U-turn didn't have a website. Yeah, no one does up until Geo. Let's go. Proposal. I'm gonna have to test all of the buttons anyway to make sure that nothing's broken. Proposal, U-turn. Why don't you test if it works before adding everyone? Because the script isn't even finished, I'm just doing all the data first. No matter what, I'm gonna end up using this anyway. So, you know, might as well get it out of the way as soon as possible. Probably. At least I think so. Fishy boy. Oh wait, wrong place. Let's put it here. And fishy boy. Was it like that? Yep, I'm kind of forgetting to copy Chillstorm, this, Fishy Boy, this. Hold on a second, I should definitely... There we go. So, after Fishy Boy was Penanija. Oh yeah, it's all separated. I remembered them as a red default profile picture on Discord, so I'm trying to remember... Oh yeah, it was an actual ninja. Oh wait, yeah. I remember now. Yeah. Well, I don't know if you'll see this, but awesome videos. Oh, I already copied this bit. Penanija red. Got it. Next up, printer. Oh yeah. So this and PFP printer. Yeah. The next one is Giovanni.gen. Really good YouTube channel. I recommend. Well, also awesome Romax. UAL. Okay. So, the full Giovanni.gen. The button is PFP is like this. I tried to parry swords, but trying to parry them put me in a position where I dodged them. Huh. Awesome. Next up, Marigold. Here we are. The legendary Marigold. Indeed. Not JPEG. I believe they're the best speedrunner ever, but they won't ever join. It's true! It's okay. I'll tell you if you beat their secret time. Marigold.jpg. Did I paste KD? Yeah, that's it. Whatever time I will do, it will be nothing. Yeah, they've got like 101% altered down to 5 minutes. I'm sorry to tell you this. Wilbur was never here. Almost recent. Well, second most recent. I was really impressed at how fast that went. Oh yeah, with the button too. Whoop. And Wilbur with PNG. They're too good. The thing is, Wilbur is also getting close, so maybe you're going to be second anyway. Hopefully, you'll finally have some competition. I really feel like I managed to make this process as tedious as possible. I did a good job with the 212, yeah. I need to rewatch it. It was really cool. I love watching the speedruns people do here. Is it me or did they duplicate Wilbur? Or is there two Wilbur? What? I think I had a legit bug. Whatever. Move it one down and it becomes... Koi! Koi. It was really vain trying to nudge them in the right direction, but they made it. Good for them. Besides, it was really fun, honestly. It's about the brightness. eventually made it. Yeah. And that's that. Let's try doing the list of famers. So it would be as simple as going in here. Yeah, Hall of Fame grid. Okay, how do I test this? I mean, it would be as simple as just adding the script for all this somewhere. So, let's do that. Okay, there's index achievements, index achieve, and it's in index. Don't worry about any of these. So script src equals util slash halloffame.js. Yep. And now when I load everyone, on top of loading the badges and showing the achievement list, you will also load the Hall of Fame. So after every badge has been loaded, load Hall of Fame. You shouldn't see, don't look. Ooh! The Hall of Fame. Add list of famers. Can't. Yeah. What's it called? Hall of Fame grid. Dot Hall of Fame grid. Wait. Oh, mustaches. Hall of Fame grid. All container dot inner HTML is equal to this. Delete everything and add list of famers to all container. And that should do it. Okay. That should do it if I didn't make any mistakes. Let's see. Closing my eyes. Oh my god! Well, I don't think it worked. How did that even happen? That's the wrong location. I mean, it's half working. Yeah, the first field is the username. Why did I ever... Whatever. You all know the ID, and the second one is the username. And swap these two, and we're good. Here we are. Automated buttons. That's beautiful. Now, in the future, instead of editing like 4 different files I need to re-upload on NeoCities, I have one script file that has all this, and I don't need to do this ever again. Didn't know my username was a string of 64 characters. Technically, anything can be a string of 64 characters. I could make your username into base 64. But I'm not gonna do that. Would I say this is complete? No, because I still need the PFPs for everyone in Chattable. That's something. Next time I'm gonna make my username the same as the Chattable ID. That's amazing. Well, I'm gonna change it to the Hall of Fame just to update it. By the way, I would love to do the chat styling thing, but Hmm. How do I make it constant for everything? Cause chat.html. Okay, how does this page look? You should put COCT no times. What is that referencing? Why are you times so many? Because all I'm thinking of right now is Balatro. I'm in terminal phase. Technically, I've joined the Hall of Fame multiple times. Speedruns. True! Okay, a counter would be really funny, but people would be farming them to see how many you can get in a day. Or something, I don't know. It's like additional Hall of Fame. Oh no, let me try doing it real quick. A mock-up, if you will. Here we are. Everybody is like bilateral. I'm dying. Hold on a second, this is making me want to have fun with it. Edit as HTML. Span. Why is it so off-center? Whatever. Red. Folder. This is the shit I do instead of finishing anything. Okay, now it looks like times small. Line height. Okay, that's not the one. Vertical line. Oh! Ooh, I can get some pretty nifty ones. Force it trust. Okay, this looks really fun. I am so fucking bilateral pilled. Help me! This is certified going into my screenshot, my folder for IDs. Anyway, great idea. I'm gonna just keep it in mind. Anyway, it's worth it. Like, programming is worth it to make mockups like these, honestly. Just do stuff. Anyway, as I was saying, let's do all the things. Anyway, if I had a counter, it would absolutely look like this, by the way. So, you know. I could start going on websites, I guess. I haven't finished the whole PFP deal, but I just want to check that everyone's website works, so let's begin with Unicode Angel. This song really makes it look like I'm a spotlighting stream, but kind of. Unicode Angel is the first Hall of Famer and all around celebrity? Question mark? I don't know, they're awesome. They're really popular but really cool as well. And I wonder did they ever like did the website first? The first ever. Seriously though, they were really nice about it and you know, it was something. And also, none of the websites are gonna load because my internet is being streaming is fine, but not doing this apparently. But the second time it works. Yeah, they were nice. And besides that, look at this website, it's so beautiful. I still really want a chattable chat that looks like this, that you write in. You could totally do it. You have your username here and stuff. One day, one day. Anyway, absolutely beautiful website. I feel like it's maybe weird to go through people's websites, but like, yeah. Absolutely no notes. Also, it's so cool that every single button they feature is like filtered to look like to match with the color palette. I have no note. It's just the most beautiful website ever, I think. Amazing. I guess they're meant to be seen if it is a website. I mean, yeah, I just meant on stream, but I'm sure it doesn't matter. It should be alright. So, next up, Disney's domain. Yeah. I really like the way... I just like the purple, really. It reminds me of my own personal page a bit. It's great. I don't actually know what they do. Psychology student, yeah. Oh yeah, something... Oh. Sorry, I clicked somewhere. Shouldn't have. Yeah. Sick. Sorry, I feel like I don't have enough to say about each of them, but... I don't remember if Bren's was finished. Also, by the way, absolutely every website just works. I think the script works perfectly. I'm not used to my scripts working on the first go, but like, let's go. Yeah, it definitely exists. I remember there being more, but, you know, don't feel too embarrassed about doing pages, you know. It was cool, the things you made. Also, yeah, a script I made that works is insane. Now, Blue Azul is another... It's amazing. I love their website. Like, it's so cute. Like, everything makes me want to eat it. Which sounds kind of terrifying, considering half of them are furry mascots, like, Osha, what? It's an awesome website. The chat box is awesome, the gear icon is also customized. Oh hey, they actually customized this screen that I haven't done last time. Well, I'll never do. I kinda left it as is, but this is looking amazing. And yeah, talented pixel artists too, you know, check them out. Bismarcus! Sorry. Okay, I can't, I'm normal. Bismarcus is awesome. Anyway, not to take up too much time, there's also Geo's website with the projects. They made acts for Sonic 1 and Sonic 2. Not sure I'll take demo. Ooh. I don't know, they do a lot of cool stuff. And they're also a really cool person. Probably the coolest I know. I hope he gets more time to work on the things he wants to. Sonic. Yippee! I don't have, I haven't played a lot of Sonic, but I can still recognize how cool that stuff is. Like, it's just awesome. Wilbur was added today, so I haven't actually been there yet. This is gonna be my first time. I mean, I said Wilbur is here, but no, he wasn't here. He was never here. Oh yeah, no, I actually have been on here. It's hosted on NecoWeb specifically. I really appreciate the cat photo. Wait, it's an entire gallery? Little girl. Cars! Sorry, cats are so cute. Despite my avatar, I really like cats. Furry cats. I mean, I'd be more terrified if they weren't furry. Furry cars! What does that mean? Oh yeah, cool website. I look forward to them. And Koi. I'm sorry, it feels a bit like bullying. Thank you for really giving your all for the 100% and for being persistent, honestly. And besides, if I was to go in and try to do like the entire website 100% blind, I think I would be... I just wouldn't be able to. I'm not smart enough. They would get 101% trust. Yeah, it's gonna happen. I believe in you, Koi! It'd almost be funny to do something where your name is like red or something if you get it, but like, I really don't want to encourage people to just farm for it because it really goes so out of the way. So I guess not. God, the Balatro thing goes so hard though. I'm tempted, I'm tempted. If you get a full run, it just goes, have you had another win? Just report back. Anyway, adding PFPs. It shouldn't be technically too hard. Apparently only me and Fishy got 100%. And the thing is, I still regret helping Fishy too much because he didn't seem to have fun doing it, but... yeah, Fishy had to be helped, so, you know, I think you're the only one who got 101% completely by yourself. Which is cool. I don't know. It's just like 101 was just to put all the crazy requirements I didn't... I'm really glad you had fun searching for it. And, you know, it's probably going to be something you have to search for in the future after the update. But that's how it is. And this is also custom PFPs. My beloved, it's that's sad. Did the playlist stop again? Oh. Video paused to continue watching? Yes, please. You know, I'm kind of surprised it didn't include one song specifically in this playlist. Oops. Yeah, this one should be in the playlist setting. Here we go. So, what was I doing? Oh wait, you also can do stuff with the chattable PFPs, like making a script to add them. Ideally, it would be better, like, you know, instead of going through it and adding them every single time, wouldn't it be better if it was automatic? But the main problem with that is that the way the chats are loaded is different per page. So, like, to actually do this, I would need to either put the same script on every page, or make all the page embed the same iframe, but then someone said it was laggy to do that, so like, I don't know. I should probably just make a script that adds all the PFPs. Either way, it's basically just, because like when you look at it, all it does is have the UID, the PFP name, and that's both that I already have, so might as well do that. You know what I mean? I don't even feel like deleting them out of here, but like, you know. I'm probably gonna test this by making the this chatter's UID. Let's give him a gnome. Egg on toast. Oh. Would it be possible in case to tie this kind of script to the YOLO Fame one so that they're always the same in case one changes it, I suppose? Yeah, I can do exactly that. Oh, hi P-chan. Oh wow. Hello. Sorry, that took me by surprise. Yeah, turn back on P-chan. Which one do I even send? Oh wait, that's right, I'm going to not be... Egg on toast. I really loved the outline being the color of the bubble. I think it was a nice touch. I'm just throwing flowers at myself now. I'm gonna let you do your own thing and keep working on this. I mean, technically, I don't need to do all this. Okay. Who's that with the snowflake PFP? I don't know, but someone who's probably speedruns really good. I think. Peach should see it. It would be awesome. P-chan is a speedrun fan. True! If I'm ever doing this, I'm just thinking... Eureka! I mean, Eureka! I just gotta... whoops. Wrong window. Okay, I'm good. If I just need to check what I do in chat.html and I should have the answer I seek. Yeah, right here. Here we go. That was easy. Oh, music stopped again. Random shuffle. Here we go. Organizing these windows is a pain. I get why people get multiple monitors now. Not that I didn't get it before. Get in on ceremonies for like now. Going on Amazon like right now and buying one. You'll be able to help me pick a good one, won't you? No, but legit, I'm not good to that. I should get another one if I find space on my desk. That just reminded me, I never sent a picture I meant to send in the server. Well, probably next time I stream Pokemon. Sorry, I don't know what a Pokemon is, I mean more one. Let's Dev spends her money on stream. I let chat decide what to buy and you just buy like 6 copies of Skong. Shipped directly to me. So I can just stare at them. Can probably send a message. How do you know that? Let Peachai decide on... Peachan should never get any kind of Amazon anything. No way. Peachan shouldn't have internet access to begin with. How do you know that? I mean, I just had to think for a second. It will buy nuclear codes. Possibly. Can you find that on Amazon anyway? This makes you want to look, but I feel like I'm gonna be put on some sort of watch list, you know what I mean? Doesn't feel like a good idea. I wish I could give Pian internet access. I need to make an AI of Pian as well. It could steal so many V-Bucks for me. Well, I think your chat filters the second message or type. Oh! Huh. Oh wait, you meant in streaming chat. It works kinda... yeah, on stream. Sometimes it's a bit weird. I coded all of this myself, so... you know, it might be sketch. I was proud of the styling though. But, you know, it ate it. Yeah, I don't even see it, sorry. Another person from Pinterest, it seems. Sky summarized it. Peachan will look up where to buy kids and how to DIY a nuke. We're gonna looking up which country has the most kids and easiest spot for a nuke to land. I already feel like I'm on some kind of watch list. Warning, this person wants to launch nukes. Yeah, Lilith and Peachan does not count for custom PFP. So custom PFP, blah blah blah, else equals, and then I do the entire thing. So the style for those is custom PFP. Where to buy Demon Core Reddit? Exactly. If only people knew Egg on Toast was secretly the one and only Lilith Devil, then everyone would want to be Lilith Devil. It's kind of funny because the stream is literally... Why is everything loading? It's kind of funny because then, like... the stream is right here, you know? Like, people can tell because it's literally just live right here on the side. Thought it was a Yandere game? Project Sekai? What the fuck? I have no words. I'm just gonna pretend I didn't see anything. Custom PFP, we do all that. Then you do PFP at the end of that. And that should be it. And then we take the output of custom PFP and we put it inside of float style. Thought they meant to cite, which is arguably worse. That is terrible. To be fair, maybe they meant AME. A lot of people think the site is just straight up NSO. Because of that one person who linked it on Pinterest. It's like, plays a full game and now people are thinking, yeah, this is an easy streamer overload. It's a website with Omori on it. Hashtag trust. People think you made... I need to keep remaking games and soon enough I've made every game. And it's gonna be awesome. Can't wait to have created Deltarune. Alright, let's try... Yeah, I'm the only developer ever. I'm gonna add someone from the Hall of Fame that's in chat. This person is now in the Hall of Fame. Anonymous 6456. There is every game ever made, and every game that will be made. Interested with a PFP from printer. Let's see if it worked. Doesn't seem like it. Can I get to the Hall of Fame without doing nothing? I mean, does it show up in the list? Yeah, they do. A random Pinterest kit has been added. This is a much better way of doing this. Alright, so, Pinterest kit. Let's see... Why isn't this not working? Why? Well, okay, first test. Console.log is the output of this command. And I'll see what's wrong. Maybe it's not even getting sent because the channel isn't loaded yet. Oh, I see it. That looks perfect though. Yeah, I think it's going too fast. Oh, I forgot redeclaration of frag value. Don't worry about that bit. Seriously, why is it getting redeclared? Oh, that's why. Don't worry about it. Damn, YouTube filters 8 cache too. YouTube filters? Actually, I have no idea what you're talking about. I'm gonna be for real. If you could explain your, what you're talking. Oh yeah, I should look up the help page on Chatable. If I can get there. Please. Praying. It didn't work. Well, that's not what I meant to write. What is Chatable? What is Chatable? Chatable is a free... This website has copied the main page of Chatable. And it's doing a suspicious amount of operations in the bottom left, so I'm just going to ignore this and go straight to Chatable. Just take me to the main page. Chatable. By the way, Andrew, I'm so sorry for never writing that review. It was like, I'm talking as if he'd ever see this, but like, I'm sorry for never sending it because, like, there was a whole thing happening and I wasn't sure if I should send it, but like, if things keep being normal, I'll probably send it. Anyway, API. Initialize, yep. The code has changed a bit. Sick. Set message, set payload, set flare, set name, minimize, maximize, load style, load style. I don't know what I'm saying, but okay. This is the Chatable API. Like, this is all the operations I can do on Chatable's entire window. And technically I can make commands, I just haven't taken advantage of that yet, but it's pretty awesome. Oh, music has stopped again. I can't have that. I'm gonna need like double the size of playlist. Because like I'm getting through this way quickly. Oh, is my internet down? Hello? Praying again. No, I don't think my internet is down. Phew. No, I don't think my internet is down. Okay, that scared me. Anyway, yeah, you can make commands and stuff. I never ended up making anything with it, though. I was hoping for something that let me... Apparently streaming is sucking all of your internet. Well, this is actually a quirk of my system, but we don't have to worry about it. It's not usually this bad for me. But yeah, it does feel like it's siphoning it. That's sad. So... Chattable on load. I don't think there's any data. Let's just make it a barrel. And do this. I mean, let's pass in the... Oh wait, no, I don't wanna. Okay, that should do it. So now if I go back on here, here... Nope, it didn't work. Why not? I thought. Printer on FW. FW, blah 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 blah. Aren't you FW? UID, FW, N12. Oh wait, yeah, I forgot why I was worrying about the internet. Yeah, the music player has ceased all functioning as if it ran out of memory. Actually, let me look at my PC real quick. No, we should be good. Why is my processor so high? What's happening? Oh yeah, it makes sense, it makes sense. Well, that's just streaming for you. Let me just... The script worked, so to nothing else must work. Yeah, basically if I get it in the first shot, it means that nothing else will work. Yep. I'm just going to close this. And then go in here and go... Phew. Sorry, I'm just trying to get my music back. Alright, that should be adjusted. Alright, getting back into it. Music is top 1 priority. I never coded silence or anything. Sometimes it makes me think a bit less good, but like, it's worth it. This person doesn't know they're in the Hall of Fame right now. Well, to be fair, the PFP isn't loading, so... Seriously, why is this not working? Is there something I'm missing? I think it was somebody else. No, just kidding. I remember those strings of numbers. I mean, one thing I could do is just go in and check if... Do you have any kind of style? Anything? That's not it. Yeah, that's not it either. That's mine. Custom icons, yep. Custom PFP. Without printer. Yeah, it's just not here. Okay. Seems something's wrong with... Oh, the chat is gonna... I'm gonna just scroll back up. What is wrong with you? Chattable unload, load style. I feel like this should work. Let's try something more direct. Something I can test immediately. Background, red. Yeah, I should be able to see that. Chat died, it's all red now. Yep. It's Kara. It's Kara's fault. I can't believe Kara would do this. Demon child. I'm just kidding, my little chocolat. Toby fucks little chocolat. It was really cute. He was like a dad. Background. Fuck it, we're green now. We're poisoned. So if I do Control S on this... Why did Kara make Little Steph do this? I don't know. Yeah, none of this tiles are going in. Okay, what is happening? Because, like, if you go over to moderation... Wait, what was it called again? Oh! Moderation of HTML. Here we go. I'm gonna have to check what the code is then. But why doesn't this work? It should. Oh, I know. Console.log. Certified Classic to debugging. Oh, now that's interesting. Chattable doesn't fire an event. There is no... Hi! Yeah, I love spamming console.log, but I think you can notice this if you've ever played Omori with the console open. There are so many useless console.logs that I haven't removed. I hate it. I feel like the world's worst programmer right now. But like, I did say, hold on, maybe it's because I'm on beta. The thing is, it should work. There is no reason. According to the API, it should at least. Is it because it gets registered too late? Like it's all the way at the bottom? I don't know. I'm just gonna try putting these out of there and hoping for the best. Wait, what? I see hi now. Okay, let's put it back in. I mean, I saw hi, but it doesn't mean it didn't... Oh, wait! Error, HTTP error. Okay, I should have looked at the console closer. What's happening? HTTP error. Oh, does it... Oh. Hold on a second. Load style. Load the row CSS. It's a URL. It takes a URL in. I don't want to send a... Send it to the A-frame as a style string. I don't want to send a file, I want to send the raw thing. How do I send the raw thing? Surely there's a way to dynamically load these stuff. Hold on a second, there's a way to find this out. What time is it? Oh my god. Little 5-minute coding adventure. That should be the name of the next episode. Chattable dot add style. What was it called again? Yeah, load something. Load style theme. So theme is the list of presets. Yeah. Maybe I should just do this to see. What is the name theme for Prettified themes from the demo page? Yeah, okay. Upload a raw CSS file. Yeah, it's only a file. 5 seconds coding adventure. Yep. Okay. Load style. Oh, the code has been modified or something. Okay. Loading CSS fetch HTTP error status. It's trying to load it as okay. I have a plan. Possibly. I feel like I had code at some point where I changed the style by myself. But I don't know how long it's been and if that's still something I'm allowed to do. Or have I never done that and I just completely imagined it? I wonder if it counts as me abusing the API if I find a way around this. Chattable initialize. Chattable initialize. Wait, have we ever been on the song for a bit? Yeah, I selected loop. My bad. I could listen to the same song on loop forever, so... But let me alternate. So, initialize runs a callback function with the parameters style sheet theme unknown. Depends on the music. Yeah, right? Some of them I can't listen to forever and some I'm still listening to this day. Just great. Trying to figure out a way around this. Like, normally I'd send a message like, hey, I mean, I'm not saying normally, I don't really send messages, I'm too scared to message anyone. But like, I feel like there should be a way to do this, surely. Doesn't seem like it. Oh no, my entire plan is falling apart. I can't automate the PFPs for no reason. Wait a second. Wait a second, I'm a genius. Wait, is it even going to be able to access it? Oh, it's inside of an iframe. I don't know if that's gonna work. Okay, I'm a relative genius. We're gonna see if this even works. If it doesn't, then I lose my coding degree. But if we turn it to a blob, technically it's a valid URL on the same page. I think you can do text blobs at least. You know, I feel like I should have precise this a little better. Text to blob CSS JavaScript. This sounds like a completely insane search. I'm the only person in the world who has searched this, I think. Alright. Thanks for joining. Bye bye, Sky. And yeah. I mean, I already said that, but again, thank you for joining. And yeah. I'm gonna keep going for a bit, and if this doesn't work, I'm gonna give up. Yeah, that's not what I was looking for. You can make text blobs, right? Never give up. I feel like whatever I'm about to do is not gonna work though. I don't know, let's just try this random comment I found. And see what happens. I mean, he's a whale bee. Take care when pasting things, yeah. Yeah. Let me paste. I know what I'm doing. What the fuck? That wasn't always the case. Please type allow pasting below. Allow pasting. Thank you. Do as I say. So this creates a blob. Let blob is equal to this. Blob. That doesn't work. F5. Blob dot get. What was it? I did it for the Omori shrine. Let me check. Omori. I do it for the animations for the weapons to play a GF from the start. But that's not what I'm looking for. In battle modules, animation. Okay. Create unique from blob. Create object URL from the blob. Yeah. It's just a fun thing to say too. Blub 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 blub. So if everything worked, I can do this and... Yeah. Yeah, there's no way this works. Whatever, let's just try it anyway. I mean, it's worth a shot. You know? If you don't try anything, you don't get anything, or something like that. Always trust, never give up. Oh, it's not a sync. Let's make it a sync. Let's just do this, a little bit of this, sync. Alright, now it's a sync. Then we just put our beautiful thing in there. Then blob is equal to all this. Let's just make it... Let's try this first, and we'll see afterwards. Right. Thank you, Omori Shrine. One thing that happens a lot is I learned so much from all my projects that whenever I have a problem, I can just think back, oh wait, I did this for Omori Shrine, or Dialogue Generator, or like anything at all. Every time I make something, I'm just like, I can use this later. So that's cool. So with that out of the way, let's URL is equal to this. Console.log URL. And then try to load it into Chattable. Let's see what happens. If this work, I need a degree. Wait, I already have one. Did work. I genuinely can't tell if it worked, but I think it did. What the f... What? What is going on in chat? I can't ban them. Someone needs to do something about this. Hold on a second, I'm going to get back. Hold on, I just need to take care of chat first because, like, this is... Alright, this works. Anyway, what was I saying? Oh yeah, you made so much stuff you can debug using your own code. Yeah, exactly. Anyway, not only did it not work, it seems to have destroyed every styling on the thing. I don't know what that's supposed to mean. Like, I have genuinely no clue what's happening right now. Let me try removing this bit. It did something. Let me just... here we go. Well, it creates a blob, so I have it, but... I mean, even if it doesn't get the file, it should try to load it. What the fuck? Why does it unload everything? I have so many questions. Everything dies. Apparently this is like my special talent, because... what? Oh, hello world. Oh, is it because... hold on a second. If I remove you, and I click save... not like that. How do we update it? Ah, fuck it. It doesn't seem to fix it. At least you can see more messages, yeah. Yeah, I think it replaced the old style. I think when you set the style, it actually replaces it. I thought it added it on top. Loads of raw CSS files, send it to the iframe as a style string. I mean, we can try this real quick by loading a random other CSS file. So instead of this, send fucking... hold on, I'm trying to think of a CSS to send. Actually, how am I giving this any CSS at all? I'm not on the website. Oh, I give it the actual... okay, okay. I see. Well, that's something. That probably means it doesn't work. Let's just try it. Oh! Wait, no, autofocus. Here we go, that's what I was looking for. So, why does doing Control S focus? Stay on top. Here we go. So, if I do Dark Chuttable, okay, I think it genuinely replaces it. Oh my god, it does. Okay, I figured it out. Wait, does that mean it works? Hold on a second. I have okay, hold on. We're about to see a breakthrough in dynamic CSS loading. I'm doing things no one has done because it's fucking stupid is what it is, but you can still get your degree! Let's go! I mean, no one has been as desperate as me as to load random styling things. Whatever. CSS. And JavaScript file text from string. Because then I have like a perfect one-step plan to get to the final step of making this work. Which is amazing to me. Actually, where the fuck is doc mode? Index.chattable. Index. I hope you can see why I love programming for this website. It's like, this is fun. Dark chattable found. I actually forgot what you're trying to do in the first place. I'm trying to... Okay, there's CSS files to load styling. I currently have a giant CSS file called custom PFPs. And like, each of them have a line with the Hall of Famer and which PFP they have. And I'm hoping to make this process dynamic, so I don't have to worry about it anymore. Because then it would just fetch from the list, put all the PFPs inside of Chattable, and I'd be done with it. I wouldn't have to worry about it anymore. Which is what I'm trying to do. So, yippee! Which is its own type of fun. Yeah, it's a different fun. It's like puzzle solving. I'm trying to solve a puzzle here. You know? Yep. Seriously, why does this keep autofocusing? Don't stop autofocus! Maybe if I minimize it. So, well, I was gonna search for something. I want it the other way around. TBH, rare times in coding my game. It's fun to think of how to do random stuff, right? Right? I do find it fun. Also, I didn't know you were making a game. That's sick. Maybe I did know, and I'm sorry if I forgot. I'm sorry for forgetting. I am a terribly forgetful person. Like, seriously. But I'd love to hear about it. Custom PFP. Custom PFP. Oh my god, it's auto-focused anyway. So, custom PFP needs to begin with dark chattable this line. It's fine. Yay! Unpunished. Oh, whoops. That's not what I meant to do. So, looking at all this, custom PFP, blah blah blah, custom PFP. Yep. Technically this should work. If this works, I don't know, I'm gonna do a backflip. Oh, I can remove all the stupid ones I put here. Alright, I see it. Backflip with YouTube model, true. Hello? Oh! Is Chapel down for you too? Or is it just me? It's not an error, it's saying that I'm rate limited because I've been reloading chat too much. I think it might have banned me. To be fair, I've been reloading the chat a lot, but like, it's because I'm coding on it. I probably got flagged as a bot. Well, that's my bad for trying to do something like this. Oh yeah, it works fine for me. Oh my god, I'm rate limited, bruh. Let me try again. Please let me in. Oh my god, it's permanent. This is like the worst ending to this whole saga. It might work if I log in. So I guess I'm gonna try it. Just, give me a sec. Wait, did it load? No. I can't let it end like this. I mean, there's a chance I log in with my main account and then I get banned again. I hope there's some kind of whitelist so I don't just die. So close yet so far. I mean, the thing is, even if it works, it's gonna break dark mode for a while, but like... Hello? It's not letting me log in either. Also, I just realized I kind of flashed my... No one uses dark mode for real. Yeah. Wait, I'm in. I'm in. I'm not even logged in. Okay, yippee. In this case, let's get this person's UID. You, come here. I like that they're clueless because they haven't checked the window on the left or the right. I hope it's working for most people. Yeah, eventually it just lets you again. Nice! Wait, that's just Koi. I'm destroying Koi. Praying, 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 praying. Oh! Hold on, I've gotta do it. Give me a sec. It fucking worked. I didn't believe out enough. Hasn't Skong taught me anything. Anyway, hold on. Wait, hold on. I'm not centered. Here we go. We did it! Yeah! Let's go! Yeah! Whoops. We fucking did it. That was like 7 backflips. All free. Well, I guess that's pretty conclusive. Fucking works. This person is now printer. And on top of that, oh yeah, also yeah, it was side flips actually. If I did front flips, I would just be scaling myself down and then I'd be 2D from the top view. Anyway, if you look at the list, you can see that Pinterest Kit is also here. So now it's 100% automated, and we're gonna pretend dark mode never existed, okay? Dark mode doesn't exist. There's no dark mode. No such things. So yeah, we did it. Oh my god. There's a chance that this doesn't work once I publish it for no fucking reason, but... No, yeah, that's a new Pinterest Kit. Oh, also they're not really in the Hall of Fame, it's just on my local machine, so don't worry. But yeah, I switch which Pinterest kit I'm talking about. Now I'm talking about this one. I should tell. Egg on toast has spoken. Yeah, no, yeah, it's... Yippee! So now if I just put this everywhere, adding people to the Hall of Fame would be as simple as going into this script and adding them to the list. And hopefully the cache refreshes fast enough for this to update instantly. And yeah. Awesome. On top of that, loading things dynamically is just so much better. I think the fix for the dark mode would be simply swapping out which one I start with. I should make a mental note for myself. To do for dark mode, just swap the imported file. And I can remove some console.logs. And we did it. We have it. I guess you can also tie the two PFP things. I mean, they're both fetching from the same place. They're both fetching from here. So yeah, it's working. Oh hey, Sky. Yeah. All tied in the same thing. So it's working. Congratulations. Okay, I could go through the entire website to like just put this tag like everywhere it's mattering, but like there's gonna be so many little bugs to fix with this and it's pretty late, so also yeah, I have a degree. Why do you feel like that? Well, I mean, it's my second one, so I don't feel much of anything, but at least I I don't know, proud of myself. I did the thing. I mean, it's always satisfying to try some bullshit and it actually works. I have no idea what that worked, because like Blob is kind of local, it's inside of a knife frame, but I guess you can load it? So technically you can load things. That's kind of huge. I'm discovering you're Devil's a programmer now, and Alf's a brain. Yep, that's a good point to call it. Can't wait for the video and tutorial. Yep, coming soon. You can load like lots of stuff with blobs. Well, it's just insane to me that blobs count as a global URL. You can use them anywhere. I mean, like, that makes sense for the same page, but inside of an iframe? I don't know, that's just insane to me. They're like black magic to me. I should learn how they actually work someday. For example, I use blobs to play animations during Omori fights, but I think I mentioned that plenty of times. It's also stuff that lets you upload a custom picture into the Omori dialogue generator. Anyway, I'm yapping. My point is, great place to end the stream. We fucking did it. I feel like I just ran half of my marathon. Is half a mile a lot? I don't know miles. Probably not. Anyway, thank you so much for coming to stream, and I guess I'll end it here. And also, yeah, I love blobs. Blobs are great. Seriously. Hold on. Oh yeah. Yeah, that was great. I'll see you all in the next stream, I guess. Maybe I'll remember to do a dev one, and yeah, thank you for coming and sticking by the wall-free through this, I would say slow-mo car crash, but if it was a slow-mo car crash, the car like started levitating out of the way at the end and just got back to safety, like for no reason. So yeah. Yeah, no, nothing else to say. Bye! Thank you for watching. Ah! Bye bye, see you!